What you doing, Kiwi? What you doing, Kiwi? Are you taking a bath in your water dish? Are you taking a bath in your water dish, Kiwi? Why are you doing that, huh? There's not much water in there. Do you need more water in there? Yeah. Huh, Kiwi? Do you need more water in there? What you doing? Huh? There's not much water in there now. It's all over the floor. Yeah, I think he's trying to splash the water out and catch the drips. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Oh, he's such a pretty bird. Oh my goodness. How old are you now, Kiwi, huh? I think you're older than Matthew. Say goodbye.